Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yes guys, so today we're gonna do a little taste test. We have the KFC versus the
Burger King apple pie.
right, so you walk with a knife?
Yeah.
Well, not walk with. What
If
if we brought
if you walk with a knife, where you coming from? Well, I prepare the table, so I put a knife on the table. Straight out.
Oh my gosh, so yes guys, so we're gonna do a quick taste test on KFC apple pie. So this one here is the KFC apple pie. Let me give you a little close.
This one nice.
You see
Wow.
all the apple inside of it, the jelly.
The juicy one.
Mhm.
It's fried. I mean, the delicious.
Mm.
Channel to town.
You can't compare yet, you know. We have to see how the
I ain't care.
Look.
Channel to town. It's good.
Oh, that's you and me, right?
You see your shadow. Okay. There's too much we got.
The phone apart.
I didn't do it in my house.
So, before I forget, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we'll be doing videos every day. Probably even after Vlogmas, you never know. If you're surprised me, I'll surprise your team working. Yeah.
It's a great one.
Yeah. So let's start it.
This one?
Burger King.
Oh, you choose
Let's
it.
see.
That was the
Yeah,
KFC we know
KFC.
eat. Yeah.
Oh, so you choose it. Fine.
Burger King no.
Does you want to come out?
It's stuck.
I know.
No, no, no.
They make that with blue.
No, don't come out.
It's not.
Stick it inside here.
Oh, it's stick.
Oh, stop.
Hold on, find the sausage.
Guys, oh my god.
What is that?
What money are the man see? Okay.
What?
Like they usually
What's that? Don't look at.
The apple stick right
I
today.
want to cut.
Apple.
I forgot to even taste it. Let me see. Yeah, daddy. Okay, now
The apple stick, right?
it's stuck to the box, guys. Just now. You don't like it?
What's cheese?
Where's this?
We can.
KFC, you want
They
again?
usually fat some people around them and make them not prepared.
I forgot to bite it.
You know what? Oh, it's tasted big too.
I think I don't know what this is KFC.
Yes, you finish.
KFC finish almost.
Serious?
But we want 2 by 2. Ugh. Oh, this is like medicine.
Mm-hmm.
It is like medicine.
I'm not for something with the apple.
The pink.
I feel probably we didn't get
Mm-mm.
the apple.
The apple's fine.
There's not the
I
apple.
feel it's the quality, but
There's the syrup of the...
It's something, but the dough and all.
Yeah.
well,
The
I will
dough.
give the
I think.
You will give
the
the...
Burger King.
Uh-huh.
I will give them a 2.
I think you too.
KFC will get a 10.
I told you so. I'm never eat anything.
No, you know me. First time I eat them taste in the apple pie. But that rubbery thing.
I still trying to catch
what
myself.
Burger King making.
Okay, so guys,
And watch now, he's still eating it though. It tastes like medicine, he's still eating it. So I guess he enjoyed it. What's your
I'm
score
still
for
trying
it?
to taste it.
What's your score?
But KFC got 10.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have to back down. They got 10. It's sweet because I know they understand it's spicy.
I give
This now. This don't deserve a 1 or 2. This can get a 0.
Like that rubber
A
band.
minus it.
Yeah. I wouldn't
But
even read.
one disclaimer we would say is that we bought it since
Friday.
Friday.
Yeah, but that was
cannot-
nothing.
I don't think
So-
it's
It can't, we remember we did not buy it now and taste it now.
Yeah, we bought it since Friday, so that's probably why it
So why KFC don't stand up?
it remained good, yeah. So
I
something
feel
wrong with it
the
still.
apples, pops, the apples were tasting funny.
And
That is for an apple pie, that's supposed to be stand, but good. We opinion
this,
is
bro.
Guys.
apple pie and these things don't really spoil so.
Yeah.
That come like a turnover, a rollover, a coconut
We
roll.
try it again.
I think we'll do a next taste test, yeah.
We do part 2 of this.
Yeah.
Fresh. As we buy it, we run home and sit down and do the
But next time you buy one from Burger King, that's the discount.
We're not giving them a fair chance.
Yeah, I gotta give my fair chance because we bought it since Friday, so yeah. I didn't give my score. I would give Burger King a 3 and KFC a 10. I'll give them a 3 just because they remain in the fridge since Friday. And today is Sunday.
Sunday.
So
Good thing
We
we
try
try
and get
KFC
them.
first.
yeah, it's because I eat the KFC first. But it's, yeah.
I will still give Burger King a 5 or 4. Because if it's really cross. You understand?
You know what? I taste these
You gave your thing already. And KFC, listen, and KFC, get a 10 plus. It really tastes good. The apple was, what to put it, boy? It was real juicy. The
It was
apple-
like jam.
Yes.
It was like apple jam. I don't think
Full of flavor. It was
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, full of flavor, and they could taste all the cinnamon and the spice, and it was
Real
delicious.
full of flavor.
Yeah, it was rich.
Okay.
But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video,
Who make them apple pie for KFC a custom meat, so they do a good job. Burger King come up with that idea before.
guys, that's it. That's it for this video. We'll see you all back soon because I think right after this video here we're gonna film our next video. So if it's here in the same course, just know we're grinding hard, right?
Just tune in to Just Tavian.
Alright, so now we're going across to his channel and we're gonna do a what?
Eat a lick, bite, taste, or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
So if you
It's a
wanna
challenge.
see us eat some probably nasty stuff, probably delicious stuff, you don't know what you're gonna get. It's either you eat it, you lick it, you
It's
bite
all
it,
about
or
luck.
nothing. It's kind of like a game of luck, as he said. So go to his channel, probably like no, because I feel like when I post this, he would probably post around the same time. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you ever had KFC or Burger King apple pie, let us know down below in the description box. And yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Bye.
Bye.